Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. As usual, I'm Simon from Andover Norton and I've been looking around the shelves to see which items we've got back in stock for your Norton bikes. So, as always, should we take a look and see what I found? Okay, first up this week is part number 067287. That is the electric start conversion kit from Alton for the Commando with a positive earth. That's £2,256 exactly, and that's including VAT. Next is the Isolastic PTFE washer, part number 064748, and that's £4.87 including VAT. Brand new for us this one, part number 132092, the oil tank drain tool for the Commando 750 and 850 from 71 to 78 is £10.73 including VAT. Next, the Norwolf screen, completely clear and long, part number 063936 is £131.94 including VAT. And lastly this week, the tail lamp fairing, part number 063731 is £51.38 including VAT. And don't forget, if there's anything I've not mentioned today but you'd like it for your bike and it's currently out of stock on the Andover Norton website, you can set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's really easy and simple to do, and if you're not sure how to do it, there is a link in the section below. It's a video and it'll take you through the whole process of how to set up an email reminder for when items come back in stock on the website for your bike. Anyway, thanks for watching this week, and as always, I'll see you next week, but until then, safe riding.